Iko mar Kizito Moi mane en jatich ma seneta ma Kakamega Khalwale biro timore chieng wuok tich tok duoko mar bero manotim kawuono kod jabero mar piny owacho Dr. Johansen Oduor. Kanoluso kod jofwambo Oduor wacho ni Kizito notho kaluwore koda adhola mar tung mar watha kokwedo weche maliekore e mbui. Anyuola mar Kizito wacho ni giyudo fuong'ruok kendo koro ginyalo iko wuodgi gi kwe.
What I found is that the late Kizito had injuries. One injury was on the forehead on the right side. There was one on the anterior neck and on the inner thigh of the left leg. Looking at his injuries, they were penetrating, and they also had some features which included some bruising around them. And to look at them closely, they look like injuries which are caused by something which was penetrating but was not very sharp, was a bit blunt, which is in keeping with a horn of an animal. So from all these findings, we can conclude that indeed the initial autopsy was correct, and it was caused by an animal other than something which has stabbed the person, like what was being alleged that it was a knife or something like that.
I'm glad that Dr. Oduor, the government pathologist, has now announced a closure. And with this, I would like, as I pass my condolences to the family, my community, and the bullfighting fraternity, that we shall move the remains of Moi tomorrow morning in the usual manner, and we shall bury him on Monday.
Piny Kenya odonje winjruok kod pinje 19 ma jo Kenya nyalo dhi tiye kaka yorno mar dino bugo mar nok mar